Hi, now we're gonna install Git and configure to your local repository. First, we're gonna install Git in the Windows 11 machine, which is 64-bit. Go to this location and select the operating system of your choice. Mine is 64-bit operating system. We're gonna select the 64-bit. Wait for the exe file to download. We're gonna install that Git 2.47 0.2 setup. Okay. Add it on the desktop for your reference. Everything is a simple process. Click next, and install it. Once the installation is done, you can select this one. This is the release note of the Git. This is the Git bash, where you can run all the Linux commands. Now we will go to the GitHub account. Once you go to the GitHub account, you need to create one repository first. I will be selecting project 1 and give the description as my first project, and then create a repository. Once the repository has been created, come to the create one folder. With the same name as project 1. You can create any number of files. You can rename this one file 2. Now go to the Git bash. Type git status. You will not be seeing anything because it is not git initialized. You need to click create git initialization. For that, it is a command git init. When you do this one, you can see with the hidden folder which has been created, which is .git folder. And afterwards, you need to configure the config global user.name, and you need to give your username of the GitHub. and you need to give your email address of your GitHub. Once it is done, you need to create the SSH configuration. For that, the command is SSH keygen -t rsa -c and your email address. Press enter, press Y and give any phrase like password or anything. Give the passphrase again, and then the key has been created. If you want to see the key, you need to go to your PC and your C drive and the users and your particular user, and there will be a folder called .ssh. Go into that particular folder where you can see id_rsa. This is the file. You need to copy this one and come here. Go to the settings, SSH keys, and create a new SSH key. Give the title and paste the SSH key. Now the key has been added. Now come to your place in the GitHub, git push -u origin and master. You tend to get to see this because after you have done the git push -u, yeah, everything is up to date. Now you need to go to your project and refresh it. Yeah, all both the files has been updated.